Now, the NHS is halving the number of hospital beds for people with learning disabilities and autism in England, it's been announced today. It's in response to an abuse scandal at a specialist care home at Winterbourne View, you remember, near Bristol 5 years ago. Care will now be offered to individuals in their homes and communities instead. So if it's now homes rather than hospitals for people with learning disabilities, can the private sector help out the NHS? Well, Dora Matthews' house in Coleford, they say, is providing just that, with an added 5 specially constructed bungalows that have just been finished for people with learning difficulties. Joining us is Dave Hannon, who's Development Director for the Rooftop Housing Group. Good evening, Dave. Thanks for joining us.
Hi there.
Is this something, then, that housing associations are already doing before the NHS made this announcement today?
Yes, generally housing associations have got a long tradition of providing support and care for people with learning difficulties, providing bespoke accommodation across the country in general. But in more recent times, we've been providing more specialist accommodation that provides independent living and care services brought to people's doorsteps rather than the institutions you may have seen in the past. So in short, yes, it's something housing associations are well versed in doing, and they're quite passionate about doing in the future.
And Dora Matthews' house in Coleford, what sort of people are you looking after there, living with you there?
I'll give you a bit of background to Dora Matthews' house. It's a major regeneration project right in the middle of Coleford. It provides 42 flats and bungalows, 37 one- and two-bedroom flats for older people with a dementia, learning difficulties or other care needs, and 5 specialist two-bedroomed dormer bungalows specifically for people with learning difficulties, built to full wheelchair accessible standards. And the care services are provided from the main building of Dora Matthews' house.
So you obviously felt that there was a need for this even before the NHS came out and said this. There is a demand for this already.
We did. Working with the Forestry Industry Council, they identified the need quite some time ago, and we're looking for a solution in the town that would serve the forest and wider Gloucestershire. So initially it came from the Forestry Industry Council asking for support and help from ourselves, and through the Homes and Communities Agency, we were able to provide this £6 million facility.
So hearing what the NHS says today, does this mean that you'll now be knocking on the NHS's door as well, saying, you know what, we can help you out there too?
We will be. We'll be making the homes that we have available for them to use. We'll be working with the Gloucester County Council to ensure that they are aware of the service we can provide. And we'll be, today, letting the general public know that we have a facility available and we're here to serve the community.
Dave, nice to talk to you this evening. Thanks very much for joining us. Dave Hannon, Development Director for the Rooftop Housing Group, then behind this Dora Matthews house facility in Coleford with these 5 specially constructed bungalows.